In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to your LG Smart TV. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and cast your iPhone screen to your LG Smart TV. Now first things first, you want to make sure that both your iPhone and your LG Smart TV are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. So if you come over to my iPhone over here, you can literally see my iPhone over here is actually connected to Redmi 12, which is basically my hotspot. So you can go ahead and connect it to the same hotspot or to the same Wi-Fi. And on my LG Smart TV over here, if you go over to the settings of the TV and to the network settings, you should also make sure that your LG Smart TV is also connected to that same Wi-Fi or that same hotspot. You can literally see that my LG Smart TV over here is connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now once this is done, come over to the home of your LG Smart TV. So just press on the home button on your remote control, then scroll horizontally just once. Scroll horizontally and then you should see the Apple AirPlay feature over here on your LG Smart TV. Now you want to go ahead and select it, and at this point you want to scroll down to the Apple AirPlay and HomeKit option. Make sure that AirPlay at this point is actually turned on, and then finally you want to come over to your iPhone, scroll over to this notification center, and you're going to see the screen mirroring option, which is basically this box over here stacked upon another box. You want to go ahead and select it, and automatically your iPhone will look for all of the available LG Smart TVs you can actually connect to and show you the name of your LG Smart TV. You can literally see mine over here, so I'll go ahead and select it just like so. Give it a minute or two, and then you want to also enter the code that is being displayed on your LG Smart TV inside of this place. So I'll just go ahead and enter the code, which is basically 8594, and then click on OK. Now you just want to give it a minute or two, and automatically your iPhone will be screen mirrored to your LG Smart TV. Now you can literally see it works absolutely well, and I can go ahead and start playing videos, playing games, and it will be displayed on my LG Smart TV over here. Now that is basically how to screen mirror or screencast your iPhone to your LG Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.